Hello everyone, my name is Arushi and this is my entry for MIT App Inventor Hackathon 2020. So this app has been inspired by the COVID-19 pandemic and it's a simple tool that hospital staff or basically anyone can use to keep track of notes and inventory during this crucial time. And it has general uses as well, not just all of these things. So there are three parts as you can see. The first is the notes page. Here's a note that I've already taken. I can enter a new note over here to show you. Submit it. It will be displayed here along with the time at which it has been taken. And I can set the date as I please. So if I want to put in notes for the future, I can do that. And or even to keep track of past things. I can delete them simply by tapping on them, and the ones that are already over here, they will not get deleted even when I refresh the screen of the app. Similarly, with Inventory Manager, there are items that I've already put in the inventory over here, where here the item and the quantity both are being displayed. And if I want to add a new item, let's say bottles and 200, I add it, so it will be added to the list over here. And if I just want to add or subtract a small amount, then I can simply press the buttons over here instead of having to type it again. Now if I want to delete this quantity, then I can simply press delete and that item will be gone. And if I want to view the complete list of items and quantities that we have, then this page is for that. So I hope you find this app useful and happy using.